Yo, kaya ora everyone, and welcome back to another vlog, and this is episode 3 of Exploring New Zealand. So for today's vlog, pupunta tayo ng Mount Victoria Lookout. So doon makikita mo yung 360 degrees ng Wellington City and the harbour. So explore natin kung ano meron doon, and keep on watching everyone.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
Our next stop is one of the highest points in Wellington, where you can see a stunning 360-degree views of Wellington City, the harbour, and the ocean to the south. It's a great place for walking, jogging, and mountain biking. Sarap mag-relax and chill dito while enjoying the view. I'm your Nomadic Juan, and this is episode 3 of Journey with Me, or should I say, BAE'YAHE with me, in New Zealand.
There ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Nomadic.
Legend has it that the Wellington Harbour, originally a handlock lake, was home to two large and very active taniwha, or sea monsters. One taniwha forged a passage to the open sea, creating the entrance to the harbour. The second, named Whataitai, tried a different route, became stranded, and died. It is believed that the Tangi-te, or Mount Victoria, was named after the soul of Whataitai. Yon, and we have reached the Mount Victoria Lookout, and keep on watching this episode 3 of Journey with Me in New Zealand. And just another trivia, everyone. Mount Victoria provided a filming location for the first movie in the Lord of the Rings trilogy, directed by Peter Jackson, a devoted Wellingtonian himself. On the slopes of the mountain, just minutes from the sophistication of modern Wellington, terrified hobbits hid from the Black Riders in the dense forest undergrowth. This goes out to everyone na feeling nila they are stuck somewhere. As I was in awe sa magandang tanawin sa harap ko, I remember someone said that your obedience and sacrifices will be rewarded in the end. Medyo matagal-tagal ang hintayin mo para ma-experience to. Pero, it's all worth it. Kaya pala pinaghintay ako ng matagal kasi may magandang nakalaan. But because I waited for God's perfect time, it cost me nothing. Maybe there are some things in your life that you are in a rush to get or to have. It may hurt now to wait, but it will always be more than you've ever dreamed of if you remain patient. Do not lose hope. Darating din ang time na ibibigay din sa'yo ni Lord ang pinagdarasal mo. The season of waiting might be long, but when God says it's time, it's time. Maikli lang ang buhay, piliin mong maging masaya. Ang lamig! So ganito sa Wellington, malamig talaga siya, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Itong kano naman daw on top of Mount Victoria, it's supposed to be fired every Saturday to help people na i-regulate yung kanilang clock. Pero hindi ko alam kung merong nangyari, pero natigil noong 1880s na kung saan naglagay na yung mga tao ng clock sa kanilang mga building. Saan tayo? At yun mga Juan, that's our Mount Victoria lookout experience. So quick vlog lang siya. So ayun mga Juan, wala namang masyadong makikita dito sa may Mount Victoria lookout. Makikita mo lang yung 360 degrees ng Wellington City at yung harbour. So yun, malamig dito, sobrang lamig. So kailangan yung mag-suit up. Maganda ding mag-bike papunta dito kasi maganda rin siyang parang trekking site. Yun. So yun lamang mga Juan. So tatapusin ko na yung vlog natin. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So tuloy-tuloy nating itutour ang New Zealand. And this is our episode 3 of our journey with me in New Zealand. I'm your Nomadic Juan, ang hugot travel bay na may puso. And see you on my next vlog.